Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update at the Vista at the Bloomfield, and that's that tall building straight ahead. Now have you noticed the fence? So the tall building is different from the building here. I think the building below is a call center and the one at the back is the Vista. This is now, it's proven that's doing it. This is a picture of what it's going to look like when it's finished. I'm sorry, did I say Vista? It's the Avista. There you can see more. So this building is going to be a mix of residential work, and then you're going to have commercial parts to it. So it's a mix between residential and commercial. And I think we were here 2 weeks ago. We can see quite a lot of progress made on the building. We're going to try and give you guys updates every 2 weeks on all these construction sites. Alright, so let's zoom in. There you can see the proven sign. So where you see that green, I guess, mesh, that's a different structure from the Avista. And remember, with the highway coming to Mandeville, it's a 40-minute drive from Kingston to Mandeville now. So you're going to see a lot more structures like this going up. And I guess this is as high as they're going, because you notice there's no steel sticking out of the roof. So this is as high as it's going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors. And then right beside it, that's Mega Mart. And then over here now, this looks like, the yellow building looks like a commercial building, like a plaza. And then that's going to be a call center behind it. I'm sure it's just a matter of time before this entire area is developed, as there is so much progress going on. It's unbelievable. Everywhere you look, you see a building going up, and that highway is going to bring a lot more activity or traffic to Mandeville. This building seems to be moving very quickly. A lot of progress has been made since we made the last video. And one good thing about where this building is located, you have Mega Mart right there, which I guess will be the supermarket. But right here, this road, let me zoom out. That road that you're looking at there, it takes you all the way back to the main road, to the roundabout. So you don't have to go through the traffic in Mandeville to get to this building. You just take that road and go right back out to the main road. I've never seen so many of these cranes in Jamaica. It's unbelievable. I probably have like 100 of them up. Everywhere you look, you see these cranes now because the buildings are getting taller. You have to really love the progress though. Alright, so we'll come back in 2 weeks and see how far they've reached. So I'm going to just look back at the picture because persons were asking and saying that they want that we should include a picture in the videos. So let's do that. Okay, so this is what the finished building is going to look like. And you can see it's definitely taking shape. And I guess if you're interested, there's some information. And then these are just some billboards advertising it. Jamaica's #1 mixed-use development. A Vista apartment complex with heated pool. That's a very interesting sign because we all know that Ascent is being built in Kingston. They broke ground today. I mean this last month. And that's also going to be a mixed-use development, residential and commercial. So this is a most interesting, Jamaica's first mixed-use development. Okay. Thought it said Jamaica's #1 mixed-use development, but Jamaica's first. Sorry about that, guys. I read the sign wrong. Jamaica's first mixed-use development. Alright guys, this is a nice picture. You can see what the building is going to look like, and then you can see how far they've reached behind it. It's a very nice shot. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day. And check back in 2 weeks, we'll do another video with an update.